In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Smartsheet meeting agenda templates to organize discussions, track action items, and keep your team aligned. Start by clicking Create or the plus button in Smartsheet and select Templates. Choose View All Templates, then search for Meeting Agenda. Select a template that fits your needs and click Create to generate a ready-to-use sheet. Once the template opens, customize it by adding attendees, meeting topics, owners, due dates, and action items. You can also adjust columns to match your team's workflow and recurring meeting requirements. Many meeting templates include forms for collecting agenda suggestions before meetings and dashboards for viewing open action items and progress at a glance. This helps teams stay organized and ensures important follow-ups don't get missed. Using templates saves time, provides a consistent meeting structure, and makes it easier to track responsibilities and next steps across projects. Thanks for watching.